That's us, Amber and Trey. And we've been saving all our money. We bought a foreclosed house with cash right before the pandemic hit, but we never intended on actually doing all the work ourselves. Early on in our journey, we were let down by a few contractors. Then someone said we kind of looked like Chip and Joanna, so we just went with it. And job by job, we gained confidence. Everything started turning out like we were planning. So now I'm here to tell you guys, this is totally possible. We never remodeled a house before. We didn't have the knowledge or the tool collection. We spent a lot of time on YouTube and we bought the tools as we needed them.
Installation. And I'm here done with
We saved so much money doing things ourselves, and now we've been building all kinds of furniture for our house. Thanks to you guys following our journey, companies are actually sending us stuff for free, so please follow along.
We are giving away a paint gun.